Welcome to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the arithmetic operations in under DQL command. So, you can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the field which is having numerical values. So as usual, how you perform numerical operations with normal numbers, you can do it with the table as well. So how to do that? And also if you want to, you're having a date and you want to see after 10 days what will be the date. Then you can use plus operator. Before 10 days, what was the date? You can use minus operator. So this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be used along this SQL, and really you can do many things. Whatever manipulations you want, you can do it with the help of this arithmetic operation. So that is what we are going to see. So I have created a table called stock. It is having name, quantity, rate, 3 columns. So here it is. I have described the table. It is having 3 field or 3 column. I have also inserted some 4 entries here: pen, pencil, scale, eraser. So this is a small stock management table. Here I have purchased these are the quantities which I am having, and I have purchased it for this rate. So this is a table. So meaningfully we can have all the arithmetic operations. Now select name, comma, rate. So I can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication. We will be using asterisk symbol, that is star. Multiplication. For division we will be using the slash. So this is not much meaningful. Simply I am just visually showing you. You can perform all the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on this entry. So we'll see how meaningfully we can apply. So this is the stock table. Now so this is my stock table. Now I would like to increase each stock by 10. So how I'll be increasing each stock by 10? So I'll be giving like name, quantity plus 10. I can rename it as new quantity. So this will increase my quantity. So previously it was 30, 60, 60. Here is 40, 70, 70. So 10 each entry is increased by 10. So you want to see the stock value for each stock. That is, you are having name, quantity, rate. So what is the stock value for this pen? That is quantity into rate. That also you can see. So name, quantity, rate. Now I want to see the stock value. That is quantity into rate. You can rename with the help of as of keyword. So as stock value. So this is my stock value. So I have purchased pen, or currently I'm having pen, which is pens. The worth of it is 1050 rupees. So totally 30 pens are there. This is my worth. For pencil, this is the worth. Like that, I can have it. Then one more example. You want to increase the cost by 25%. So I have purchased for 35 rupees. I want to increase 25% for each and every item. So this is my cost price. I want to have a selling price which is increased by 25%. So actually what is there in the rate column is the cost price. So as cost price. Then I want to increase the rate by 25%. Not only normal addition, subtraction, you can create expression. So from the original rate, you have to add 25% of the rate. That is rate plus rate into 0.25. So this is 25% of rate. So I have created an expression. Be careful with the parenthesis or brackets. So 2 opening brackets, 2 closing brackets. I am renaming this as selling price. So the cost price, from the cost price I am increasing 25% and I am making that as the selling price from stock. So this is my name, this is my quantity, name of the item. So this is the original cost price which is available in the table. Now I have increased 25%. This is my new rate. This is my selling price. So meaningfully, you can apply this arithmetic operation very well. You can form expressions like this and you can have your table. With the help of renaming option, you can display the result set in a very legible manner as well. So, hope you understood this arithmetic operations on SQL. In the next video, we'll be seeing some other queries. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.